So if your three-wheel motion is anything but three-wheel motion, watch the video all the way through and I'll show you the solution to it. So that right there, just funky, man. In this footage right here, you'll see all the funkiness. I was trying to hit three wheels in these ones, but it just ended up looking like some funky chicken dance. And it's just really ugly. I hate it. It annoys me. So I found a solution. It's kind of obvious, as you can see on the chassis here. The chassis is front heavy, so all the weight mostly concentrated on the front, as you can see. So it does that. And the solution is to relocate the batteries in the back, so you can transfer all the weight towards the back. So here I'm marking the cutting area, and what I'll be doing is using a Dremel with a pencil attachment to it. And yes, it will be loud, and if you hate the dentist, you're gonna hate the sound, so take extreme cautions. And please, when you're using power tools, be very careful with it. And this is the sound that I mean. It is annoying if you hate the dentist, so wear ear protection if you have to. Make sure you wear your goggles, and just be very careful, be aware of your surroundings, and just take your time. So in this one, I'm using an attachment that I shouldn't be using. I should be using a cutting disc on this one. It'll be a lot easier and will be less damages to the surrounding area, as you'll see in the upcoming portions of these videos. Yeah, it's kind of ugly. So what I'm doing is, what I did is I basically measured the thickness of the battery, so which is the nickel metal. If you're gonna use it, I used that thickness and I marked it, and that's what I'm cutting here. So I'm cutting it so that it would fit the nickel metal battery that you see there, right on the right side. So to make this really easy, using the pencil attachment to your Dremel, that's key. And use a cutting wheel disc, not the one I'm using here. I just got lazy. To be honest with you, yeah, I just got lazy. So right here, I'm cleaning it up. Try to be as clean as possible. Again, you want to be very careful, be aware of the surroundings that you might be damaging. Yeah, it's not gonna be pretty. So here's the result, as you can see. So 2 holes on both sides, and that's the bottom view. Now don't worry about cutting these. Well, I'm kind of worried a little bit because I don't see it in the Redcat Racing's website for this little tray here. So hopefully they'll send it in the future. If not, then I'm screwed. But yeah, I just reused the Redcat Racing strap, and that's all. So as you can see here, not all, but I would say a majority of the weight is at the back now. So it's no longer front heavy, and that's how it looked from the bottom. I would suggest having the Redcat red wording logo at the back of the battery. So that when you hit the 3-wheel, you don't see that Redcat red logo. So here it is. Here's a sample, and it hits 3 wheels pretty easy now. It doesn't really have the tendency to tilt forward, which was really annoying. So just going through the motions here, testing it out, and hitting 3s. Looks very effortless. And if you notice, I took out the battery tray also, yeah, on the front. So, and now with the body on, there you go. See? Really easy 3 wheels now. Hit the 3 like nothing, no effort. It doesn't have the tendency to seesaw on the corner, which would be good for a car dancer or a radical car dancer action. But on this one, I like to hit threes when I'm rolling, or I just like to hit threes, pretty effortless. So this is the main reason why I did what I did. And as you can see, the result is pretty good. Pretty easy solution. There's other ways, but this is how I did it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned from it. As always, take care. Aloha. Subscribe, comment, and hit that like. Take care.